हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये करंट अफेयर्स पे क्विज़ 2 है और ये एवरी वीक मैं आपके लिए बना रहा हूँ और आपको इसमें करंट अफेयर्स के बारे में नॉलेज मिलेगी। अगर आप कोई प्रोफेशनल कोर्स कर रहे हैं तब भी आपको इनकी जानकारी होनी चाहिए। अगर आप किसी कंपटीशन की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं तब भी आपको इन क्वेश्चंस की जानकारी होनी चाहिए। इस क्विज़ को आप देखिए और ये मेज़र करिए कि कितने क्वेश्चंस आपको पता थे, कितने आपने नए सीखे, और कमेंट बॉक्स में मुझे बताइए कि आपको कैसा लगा ये क्विज़, कितनी आपको नई जानकारी मिली। और इस चैनल को ज़रूर आप सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्विज़ को। सो हियर द क्वेश्चन इज़, व्हेन वाज द चेस ओलंपियाड स्टार्टेड? चेस ओलंपियाड कब शुरू हुए थे? Answer is 1924. Which countries are joint champions of Chess Olympiad 2020? Answer, Russia and India. In which state is world's highest rail bridge is being built? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Where is India's longest river ropeway situated? Answer is Guwahati, and it is 1.82 kilometer long. Next question is, which company launched currency stabilizer Sterion? Answer is Godrej Security Solutions. The Advertising Agencies Association of India's Lifetime Achievement Award will be conferred upon. Answer is Krishnan Prem Nayaran. He is Senior Partner, Prem Associates Advertising and Marketing. How much is GDP contraction in India during April to June 2020? Answer is 23.9%. In which state a rare inscription dating back to the Renati Chola era has been unearthed? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Tapsang plains are in news because China infiltrated in this area. Next question, how old is LIC? It is 65 years old on 1st September 2020. LIC Day is also celebrated on 1st September. Which company will sponsor 6 teams which include Mumbai Indians, Chennai Super Kings, Delhi Capital, King 11 Punjab, Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals? So many teams will be sponsored by Balkrishna Industries Limited. What is Channapatna famous for? Answer is, this place is famous for wooden toys. It was in news because Prime Minister Modi ji, he talked about India making a global hub of toys in his Mann Ki Baat. Where is Rani Lakshmi Bai Central Agri University located? Recently it was inaugurated. It is in Jhansi district of Uttar Pradesh. Who recently returned Ripples of Hope Award? Answer is J.K. Rowling. Why was Rajkumari Amrit Kaur in news recently in this week? Answer is that she has been the health minister of India, and in 1956 she introduced a bill related to health in Lok Sabha, and this bill is responsible for starting of AIIMS. Which sport is Kuldeep Handu related to? Answer is Wushu. And he got the Dronacharya award also for this sports. Which is the hottest decade as per NASA? It is 2010 to 2019. Which company has unveiled first air-free AC? Answer is Samsung. Sumit Nagpal is related to which sports? Answer is tennis. What is Mission Karm Yogi related to? Answer is Indian civil servants. It's an attempt of Indian government to make them dedicated towards services. Which is the largest private port in India? Answer is Mundra Port. Next question related to it. Where is Mundra Port situated? It is in Gujarat, Gulf of Kutch. Mundra Port is in news due to sale of a stake to which Chinese company? Answer is China Merchant Group. Who had popularized the phrase "We are the 99%"? It is David Graeber, and David Graeber is anthropologist, activist and author, and he died in this week, so he has been in the news. Which company owns PUBG? Answer is Tencent. Which section has been used to ban 118 mobile apps recently in this week by Indian government? Answer is Section 69, Section 69A of IT Act. When is National Nutrition Week celebrated? It is 1st to 7th September. Which country is starting Project Dolphin? Answer is India. How many days employment guarantee is given under Manrega? Answer is 100 days employment per rural household. Who is chairman of Indian Premier League? Answer is Brijesh Patel. In which country were Olympics 2020 scheduled to? Tokyo. And due to this Corona COVID lockdown, this Olympics 2020 have been postponed to next year. Which Indian state topped the list of ease of doing business released in September 2020? Answer is Andhra Pradesh, and UP is at the second place. Thank you so much. These were 32 questions for this week. Hope you learn something new. Please subscribe the channel and write in the comment box how do you like this quiz. Hope it is beneficial to you. Do subscribe our channel. Wait for the next quiz. Thank you so much. Thank you.